Okay, so I'm going to show you how to set up Logger. So you want to create a channel in your server, call it whatever you want. Logs is what I'm calling mine. Head to the link in the description and click on invite. Select your server. So now you should see that it's joined your server. So now type in !quick setup hashtag and your channel that you've created. So now you should see if I delete a message, it should show it in the logs. Now to set up it further, head to the website and click dashboard. There's a bug right now which makes it load forever, so just click refresh and then click authorize. So find your server where you can head on and configure it. So here you can set all the settings on the bot. For example, I would like compact message logs to be turned on and for it to also log bots. And I also would like nickname changes to not be logged. And there you go, that should be all set up.